Most foreigners don't know the Chinese market and they don't know how to find a good supplier or manufacturer on the platforms like Alibaba or Made in China. Find a good supplier is a really hard work if you are not a local Chinese, but our sourcing agents know how to find a good supplier or manufacturer in different cities of China. Today I want to tell you about our company and why we can be helpful in starting your own business with China. Our company is located in Guangzhou and we've been living and working there for more than 8 years, helping entrepreneurs to start their own business with China. The employees of our company are people who studied in China, who know the Chinese mindset, culture, and of course they speak Chinese. For the time of our work in China, we get on track with clients from different countries, and for us it's a real matter of listening to what our client wants, responding to it, and getting it on track. We represent the interests of our clients in China for a really long time, and we provide a range of services that I want to tell you in this video today. The aim of our company to make the process of buying or producing your product easier, more understandable and affordable for you. Our work includes services as searching the product in appropriate manufacturer, factory verification, negotiations with factory, price negotiations, helping with the placement of orders to the factory, preparation of documents, agreeing of terms of delivery and payments, inspection of the product before shipment. We help you to manage the production very well. We visit the factory to check every process of product manufacturing and ensure that all your products meet the appropriate specifications as weight, color, dimensions, and etc. We inspect each production batch to ensure the quality control of the production run. And we compare different manufacturers and suppliers to the shortlist, those with their good service, high quality control, and best pricing. We inspect and verify each supplier to be sure they are reliable and they produce a high quality product. We visit the factory to verify their credentials and their production abilities. Our research will give you a good overview about the product available in the Chinese production market and make a recommendation for the best factory for producing your product. We are ready to be your company representative in China and solve any problems with factories about producing or purchasing your product in China. We are ready to negotiate with the Chinese factories about the best price for our clients and about the characteristics of the product. Our company is interested in a long-term cooperation with our overseas partners, and we want you to grow your business, we want you to earn more money, and we want to have a good relationships with our clients and with our partners. So, if you are ready to start doing business with China, please don't hesitate to write an email and ask any questions and comments. Our English-speaking managers have an extensive experience in purchasing any products in China. So that is why we will make sure that none of your time will be wasted. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video up to the very end, and I hope that you got useful information today. Don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe to my channel to know more about business with China, and I will see you very soon in my next videos on Anna Lee. Bye!